Welcome to my video on photographing the moon with an iPhone 15 and an 18 power telephoto lens. What we have here is this is just the iPhone 15 on a tripod. That's why I took the first photographs of the moon. And I'm going to show you a little video right now, and this just a little clip of partially what you can experience using your iPhone 15. Start out here, I just started to focus on the moon, and I kept increasing the magnification until I got to about 10 power. Now I tried to get it in the little box and adjust the exposure down to about the very minimum that I could get. You can see it's moving around quite a bit. The problem was it's a very windy night, and I really had a hard time keeping it on the moon. Now I used the time exposure, the 3-second delay, so at least I wouldn't get the hand motion in there. And it was constantly going to this fuzzy state. I think it was auto-focusing, and that was the challenge. So I did get some decent pictures though. Now this is what came out of it. There's the moon. Two pictures. The first one was a slightly enlarged picture that was before dark, and the one on the right was a picture just of a 10x magnification on the iPhone, no telephoto lens. So what I did was I had purchased this 18 power, it's called an Evil Eye telephoto lens. It works fairly good. I've tried a few other things. I've got a video, I took a picture of a mountain with it to test it out. I'll put a link to that in the back. And mount it to your iPhone. It mounts fairly sturdily, and then you can adjust the focus on it. So I think I spent $20 some on it. For that price, it wasn't a bad deal. And so what I'm going to show you here is the video I took, and here you can see the windiness. I wasn't touching anything. It was just really that windy that evening. It was out in the middle of a field, and I'm trying to adjust the exposure to get down to the very minimum. Then I would do allow a 3-second delay so that my hand motion wouldn't be affecting it. And I just kept doing a series of exposures like this until I caught something that I felt was usable. Now here's what I finally came up with. This was the waxing gibbous moon on August 6, 2025 with an 18 power telephoto or zoom, whatever you want to call it, on an iPhone 15. You can see there's some definite details on the moon. You can see the little Tycho crater at the bottom, or the large Tycho crater, some of the different seas or Maria on the moon. So it's probably about 90% full at this point. So it was not observatory quality, a very shaky, windy evening. So I'm going to call this halfway good for the experience. I'm going to try to take another picture in the next time available and get a better quality photo and show you at some point in the future. Hope you got something out of this, learned a little bit about taking photographs with the iPhone and an 18 power zoom lens. Thank you for watching.